So, you know, with all this positive news from the new administration in Argentina and all positive new technical news on Los Azules, we are looking forward to welcome new investor into McEwen Copper to advance Los Azules copper project.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by TNR Gold Executive Chairman Kirill Klipp. Kirill, good to speak with you as always. And you've announced a 300,000 Canadian dollar capital raise, came at a 20% premium to last Friday's closing price. So really showing strong support for your projects.
Yes, Stephen, good afternoon. Thank you for having us today. It's very important milestone for our company. As you know, we are building a TNR Gold, the green energy metals royalty and gold company. And this particular investment route is very interesting because we attracted people with a very deep knowledge of royalty business. And these investors, they understand very well the true potential value of our royalties, and they agree with us and me personally that our company is very undervalued and the market price does not represent the true valuation of our royalties. They believe in our story, and we are very, very happy to have them on board now. And now, as you know, Fundamental Research recently updated their report on us, and they issued a buy rating with 24 cents target price. I should caution all investors to read all our disclaimers, of course. But it will be a very nice milestone to reach for us, and our job is to tell our story to the marketplace and find more investors like this group.
So the 300,000 Canadian dollars, you say in the release it's being targeted at exploration and maintenance of your Shotgun Gold project in Alaska. Give us an update on the project and where you're at with that.
Yes, Stephen, it's more a symbolic number, of course. It's our ability to invite this group of investors to build their position because they would like to increase this position actually in the market. And of course, with our Shotgun, we have a very clearly defined strategy. We are continuing our negotiations with majors of this world. And gold price is helping us, of course, pushing close to 2,500 with all-time high reached already at $2,472. So now we have a lot of interest in gold, a lot of interest in Alaska, particularly in our project. And we continue on our negotiations in order to make just one deal, but the best deal for all our shareholders, to bring a major on board, to drill very aggressively into pre-feasibility study Shotgun Gold. As you know, we already have 700 ounces of gold defined as inferred resource there. And now we can move forward very aggressively with a strong partner who knows how to build mines in Alaska, ideally. And this money will go towards the preparation of all our necessary steps in order to strike this definite partnership.
Kirill, maybe touching on a couple of your other projects, starting with the Mariana Lithium project. Is it still on track for production this year?
Yes, this is very important in the environment. As you know, lithium prices are under pressure, but Ganfeng is firing on all cylinders, and they announced in the annual report that the project is scheduled to start operating already, to start producing lithium projects this year. And of course, for us, it's very important. We are transitioning from a pure exploration company to the royalty, hopefully cash flow generating company. And we expecting very important milestone here as well. Ganfeng has the right to buy back 1% of our royalty for 1 million Canadian dollars, and we expecting this payment to be done to us in the nearest future, just before starting the production at Mariana Lithium. So it will be a very important news for all our shareholders this year. And of course, we celebrated all new reforms in Argentina by the new president, and Argentina is moving truly into pro-business environment right now, and all our projects will benefit from it.
Well, staying in Argentina, Kirill, how about an update on your Los Azules copper project?
Yes, Rob McEwen is moving this project towards feasibility study, and hopefully we can organize with you maybe another video to discuss it in details, because just yesterday we released our news release with the update from Los Azules. We have another set of very good news. Infill drilling at Los Azules copper project confirmed the high-grade zone. So now we can be talking already about upgrading resources to the more definite categories. And Rob McEwen confirmed his commitment to the project. He invested personally additional $5 million. McEwen Mining invested additional $14 million. And we're all waiting who will be the investor for the remaining $70 million round. And Bloomberg even reported that one of the major energy companies in Argentina have been looking at the potential to invest in McEwen Copper. So, with all this positive news from the new administration in Argentina and all positive new technical news on Los Azules, we are looking forward to welcome new investor into McEwen Copper to advance Los Azules Copper project. And of course, we're all waiting for the feasibility study next year. And like we discussed with you before, just the potential valuation of this royalty holding could reach as high as $30 million American dollars for TNR Gold, based on the deal made by Sol Gold in Ecuador. When Rob McEwen, in his personal estimation, estimated 1.25% royalty on Los Azules, which is held by McEwen Mining, could be valued as high as 100 million. So we have all good news from Argentina, Steven, and this particular round of investing for TNR Gold is very important, because people are coming in with a deep knowledge of royalty business, with a lot of connections in royalty business. And for me, it's very important that they do believe that our company is very much undervalued and they can see a lot of potential value in our company.
Well, good news all around, as you said, Kirill. I look forward to that conversation about Los Azules Copper. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you very much for having us today, Steven. Have a great day.
You too. TNR Gold Executive Chairman Kirill Klipp.